French braid hairstyles are renowned for their elegance, versatility, and timeless appeal. Originating from France in the 17th century, this intricate braiding technique has evolved into a beloved hairstyle choice for individuals of all ages and hair types around the world. The French braid involves weaving 3 sections of hair together, incorporating additional hair from the scalp as the braid progresses, resulting in a beautifully intertwined pattern that cascades down the back or to the side. One of the most appealing aspects of French braid hairstyles is their adaptability to various occasions and settings. Whether attending a formal event, going for a casual outing, or engaging in physical activities, French braids offer a stylish solution that complements any ensemble. This versatility has made them a favorite choice among celebrities on the red carpet, athletes on the field, and individuals seeking an effortlessly chic look for everyday wear. French braid hairstyles also offer practical benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. By securely weaving the hair close to the scalp, French braids provide a protective style that helps prevent tangling, breakage, and damage caused by external factors such as wind, humidity, or friction. Additionally, French braids can be customized to suit different hair lengths and textures, making them accessible to a wide range of individuals seeking a stylish and functional hairdo. In recent years, French braid hairstyles have experienced a resurgence in popularity, fueled by social media platforms and online tutorials that showcase endless variations and creative interpretations of the classic braid. From intricate crown braids to bohemian-inspired side braids, the possibilities are limitless, allowing individuals to express their unique style and personality through their hair. This resurgence has also led to a renewed appreciation for the artistry and skill required to master the French braiding technique. Beyond their aesthetic and practical benefits, French braid hairstyles hold cultural significance as well. Historically, braided hairstyles have been integral to various cultures around the world, symbolizing beauty, identity, and heritage. The French braid, with its intricate weaving pattern, represents a fusion of elegance and sophistication that transcends cultural boundaries, making it a universally admired hairstyle choice. In conclusion, French braid hairstyles continue to captivate individuals with their timeless elegance, versatility, and cultural significance. Whether worn casually or for special occasions, these intricately woven braids offer a stylish and practical solution for individuals seeking a refined yet functional hairstyle. As trends come and go, the enduring appeal of French braid hairstyles endures, ensuring their place as a beloved hairdo for generations to come.